Hey, what's up there crew? Matt Basallo here with the rhinestoneworld.com. In this quick tutorial video, I'm going to show you how you can take scrap heat transfer vinyl, make a boatload of money with your standard heat press, a Silhouette Cameo 4, and some baseball hats. Stick around to see how. All right, you're still here, so that's a good sign. So how many of you have some scrap vinyl sitting around like this right here? So I'm just have my Silhouette mat, my cutting mat. I put some scrap vinyl, some white Easyweed and some black Easyweed on it. I'm gonna do 2 locations on each of these hats, a 1 color and a 2 color design, and I'm gonna make $100 on some vinyl that you probably might have thrown away. So first thing we need to do is we're going to head over. I'm going to show you how I laid it out in the software, the Silhouette Studio. I'm using the business edition, but you don't need that to do what I'm doing here because we're just typing numbers. All right. And then I'm going to send it to my Silhouette Cameo 4 cutter here. It's going to cut the white and the black. We're going to weed it quick. I'm going to press it on just my standard 16 by 20 Hotronix Max press. Don't need a cap press for what I'm going to do here either, which is cool. And show you how I'm going to make $100 with this scrap vinyl right here. So let's head over to the software here, show you how it's laid out, and then we'll send it over to the cutter. Okay, so real simple. This is my settings and everything I have in the Silhouette Studio Business Edition software. You don't need the Business Edition, like I said, but I just have my numbers laid out, and I have them laid out to where my vinyl is. So I got my white Easyweed here, my black Easyweed there. I have my cut. Now I have a force of 8, a speed of 30, and my blade set at 3 on the auto blade. So now what we need to do is head over to the cutter and get our cutting mat loaded into the Cameo, and we can get this cut. All right, so to load our material in, you can see I have it on my cutting mat here, lined up. So I'm just going to bring it to my edge right here. That looks good. I'm gonna hit the up arrow. That's gonna load my material up there, and I'm gonna bring it up just a little bit further just to make sure I'm all good as far as where it's cutting. So material's loaded. Let's go ahead and go over to the software and hit send. All right, so we're just gonna hit send on our software right here. Now it's already mirrored, so I'm gonna send as is. All right, so our cut is finished. Let's go ahead and unload it. And now we just need to weed our material here. All right, so weeding is all done. Let's go ahead and get these things pressed. All right, so now it's time to go ahead and press these. So we have 2 locations. We're gonna go on the right side here with the 2 color design, and then we're gonna go right in the underneath bill of the cap right here with just a single color white. So white outline, black fill, and then all white. So first one, I'm gonna use my heat tape. I'm just gonna throw the number 20 on here. Now they wrote on the hats, but that's all fine. I'm just going to kind of cover up the text a little bit that they wrote with the Sharpie with the 20 there. Come over here and just press. So I'm going to go about 12 seconds and I'm at 305 degrees. And there's number 1. Now, the right side here, again, heat tape. All right, so I'm going to show you how we're going to do this real quick. I'm going to go with the number 20 first. I got my heat tape there, and I'm going to drop it right onto the side here. That looks good. I got my 20 on the side. I'm just going to drop it on the edge of my press right here and press that down. Now, 2 to 3 seconds for this initial one, because remember, we're going 2 colors with this. So that first press is my tack press. Now, I can even, I've taught some people to do this as well. If you just want to save as much money as possible, I can reuse the same piece of heat tape. Grab my black number 20 there, And then I'm just going to layer it directly on top here. There we go. Set that down here and press. And now I'm going to go 10 to 12 seconds. Let's go ahead, pull this off. And we're good to go. We got custom number 20 on the side there now. Perfect. And these hats have been used as well, okay? 20 underneath, 20 on the side. Hat number 1 is done. Let's run through the rest quick. Alright, so that's it, crew. That's how easy it is to turn scrap vinyl into over $100 in sales. So, what I charge for these hats right here, 2-color design plus the number underneath. Think about it, scrap vinyl, basically nothing in cost. Might have thrown that away anyway, okay? You have obviously your labor cost, but pretty simple. You can see with my cutting mat, I cut both colors on the same cut. Weeding, pretty simple. And then pressing with a regular press, pretty simple. So, custom number there, custom number underneath, makes it real easy, visible, looks really nice from the outside, but now the kids aren't getting their hats mixed up. Coaches absolutely love this. Even though the players think it's cool as well, the coaches love it because now they're not fighting over whose hat's who forgot their hat, whose hat in the dugout, whatnot. So, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Comment below. Let me know what you think of this video. Let me know if it sparks some ideas for you and your business to make more money and grow your business, because that's the whole point of all of these tutorial videos, is to help your business be more successful. So do me a favor, click that like button right there. Click that subscribe button right there and the little bell right next to it so you get a notification every time we do an amazing video like this to help your business. And please comment below again. Let me know what you think about this, but Siser Easyweed heat transfer vinyl is the vinyl we used. All available on our website at therhinestoneworld.com. Best price you're going to find on the Silhouette Cameo 4 with the bundle deals that we have available on the site. The Max Press over here that we use. So all of the links are in the description below here. Thanks again for watching. Click that like button, please, and comment below. Let me know what you think. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next video. Later.